it's fairly obvious how to do that, so shouldn't be too hard. All right, any questions? Any?
Could you show us the code that you use for saving out?
Oh, sure. Yeah, I think I missed that. All right, let's save fig.py. Okay, so this is the Python function that saves out those three plots in PDF, PNG, and SVG. So I'm not sure I actually covered this before, but the function only takes one argument, and that's well, I call it a seismic object. Doesn't matter what you call it, but this is the thing that's created from C and contains all the arrays, well, basically everything you need to know about the job. So this attribute here, pycall, just means the number of times Python has been called from C. So in this case, you're saying if pycall isn't 0, then get out of there. And that's basically saying we only want to run it the first time the script is run. So we do a few things here. I won't go through all of it because it doesn't really matter. But here's the guts of it. So pylab.imshow, that basically just creates the image. Wherever you want to save the image is up to you. But then you can do things like add a grid, add a title, XY label. You can see they're all pretty standard and all very similar to MATLAB. And here's the one that does it for the velocity trace. And the key here is the alpha component there. And right down at the bottom is where we save all 3 different figures. And this is the one that shows it on the screen. So that again is what, maybe about 30 lines of code. So it's not too bad. And it's all pretty simple. There's no nested for loops or go-tos or any of this nonsense. So it's, yeah, I would say it's fairly easy. So, yeah. Anyone else? Questions? Comments? Criticism?
I just have a comment. We've been running a real-time Python system for the last couple of years, and we've been trying to get a course organized so we can maybe get people on board with Python. So
Okay.
if anybody is, we have one contact in Vic who is interested in maybe teaching a course here.
Oh, okay.
So,
Good.
I don't know if you know anybody else who might teach courses aboard it there, or also if anybody wants to take the course, let me know. Hopefully we can organize fairly soon.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, in some ways, it's a shame being so far away from, where a lot of this stuff is developed, because the SciPy people offer courses and seminars, conferences, things like this. Unfortunately, it's generally around Austin, Texas, so it's pretty hard to justify flying over there from here. But yeah, those guys are definitely the experts. But yeah, I mean, I'm by no means a NumPy, SciPy expert, so if we had any training here, I would definitely be keen to join. Yeah. Anyone else? I think that's it.
Thank you very much, Chris.
Okay, thank you.